Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.43 trillion. We're down 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing in the last 24 hours a lot of red across the board, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin did see a retracement of 3.9%. And as I mentioned in my channel, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire markets. When it goes down, the entire market follows with it. But I believe this is just a small retracement and we will recover very, very fast. And, as the entire market sentiment is still very, very bullish. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain, guys. Alright, guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 19.7 cents. It's down 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2.6% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. VeChain currently ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at that top 15 spot. Market cap right now is $12.8 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.95 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, please pay attention to this. In just the last year alone, VeChain is up 4,700% in the last year, and in just the last 30 days, 39.6%. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Vechain is still looking very, very bullish, despite the fact that we do see small corrections here and there. Overall, everything is looking very, very nice for Vechain. But today I want to share this with you guys, and that is Wall Street Journal, posted this on their Twitter, their WSJ Markets account. Investors are turning their attention to newer digital assets such as Digibyte, VeChain, and SafeMoon in the hunt for cheaper alternatives to Dogecoin. So this goes to show the level of interest there really is coming in for VeChain, and especially it goes to show that how much hype there really is around VeChain right now. So very, very bullish indeed. So I wanted to share this with you guys. But now let's jump into the price analysis and see what exactly VeChain is doing and where we're headed in the short immediate term. But before I begin, I have to get something clear. I've been reading a lot of comments lately, guys. A lot of comments lately. Not the. I know there's all these long-term holders for VeChain, the VeChain fam. I know you guys are in it for the long haul. You guys don't care about the small retracements here and there because your guys's goal is long-term. You guys see VeChain taking over and being one of the top cryptocurrencies in the next 3 to 5 years. I'm not talking about you guys. I am talking about some new people coming into the markets. At the end of the day, I do not blame them either. But I've been noticing a lot. When the markets tend to go down a bit, guys, I hear the comments from people saying, "VeChain is done. This is it. VeChain is going to zero. VeChain is boring. Blah blah blah. And this and that." Guys, one thing I want to say to you guys, let's just go back to a month from like a month ago from today and see where VeChain was currently trading at. So if we go a month from now, it was trading at 12.8 cents, and let's do measure this. Let's measure this right now. So that, and since then, guys, we're up 53.4%, and that's despite the fact that I'm sorry, that is still after the fact we are seeing the price correction. We're still up 53% since a month ago. So that goes to show how far VeChain has really come up, guys. And VeChain is not boring. It has come up quite a bit, and the markets are not going to go up straight forever in one line, guys. I keep on saying that. I'm sorry to say that to you guys. If you guys thought that you guys will become millionaires overnight, that's just not the reality. I keep 100% real with you guys on my channel. That is not likely to happen. You do not become a millionaire overnight or become very rich overnight. Patience is needed, and that's what would be your best friend in crypto. I always say, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose in the markets, patience will be your number one key. You do not want to be looking at the charts on a daily basis, because these kind of pullbacks do scare a lot of people away, because these kind of pullbacks are very, very normal in the crypto markets, especially if we're in a bull cycle. We do tend to see these kind of retracements occur over and over again. And I always mention Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire markets. If it goes down, guess what happens to the entire market? The entire market goes down with it, and we just saw that. Let me share that with you guys once again. You guys can see, the Bitcoin went down. We are seeing all these, coins go down with it in the last 24 hours. Some are in the green, but majority are in the red. So that goes to show that Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market, and we cannot control these kind of retracements, but these retracements are very, very normal, and it's just a small retracement, nothing to worry about in my opinion. And I believe we will be bought back up very quickly as long as Bitcoin stays around this level and recovers. And if we fall further, guys, if we fall further, obviously there is more downside, but I do not see us falling that low right now. Let's bring out the fib tool right now so we will get a better understanding to see where we're going right now. So this level of support is playing out very strong, around that 18.7 cents. We do have a lot of support around there. And if Bitcoin were to go down, I could even see us falling all the way down to 18 cents. But because Bitcoin is in the downwards trend right now, but it's just having a mini retracement. But yeah, we always have to look at the bearish scenario to play out as well. If that happened, yes, we could go back down to this 18 cents level, and there's a strong level of support. But if Bitcoin were to fall even further down, and let's say the magnitude of the pullback is larger, let's say 10%, we could go back down to this level again. Then, guys, this is the next level, I believe, where we could go down. But right now, I do not see that happening, guys. I do not see Bitcoin falling that sharply. But again, guys, this is cryptocurrency. We never know. Cryptocurrencies are very unpredictable, and these kind of pullbacks can occur anytime, because we never know when these big whale accounts can take profits or manipulate the markets. And when they try to manipulate the markets, their number one goal is what? Their number one goal is to shake out the weak hands. And you do not want to be the weak hand to get shaken out. As you guys see, when this happens, these wicks do not occur for very long. They got bought back up very quickly. And so far, the market sentiment is still very strong. And I do not see us falling that below. But we always have to be prepared for that, and that's why I'll always point that out to you guys. What I would like Vechain to do in the next coming week or so is get back into this range and trade sideways, and then we break through this level of resistance at that 0.22 cents, and then we're off through the races, guys. Might see some choppiness around this level, and then boom, and 30 cents is still the next target, guys. Patience is needed. Just because I say 30 cents is my next target does not mean it's coming tomorrow. Even if the markets are looking very, very bullish, and we're certain that the price is going to hit at 30 cents, we never know when Bitcoin's going to decide to say, you know what, goodbye, I'm going to take a breather. So we always have to be prepared for that. But right now, my target still is 30 cents, and I'm very, very confident the month of May is where we will touch it and go even above it. If we're to measure how far we're away from 30 cents right now, we could do that right now as well. We are currently away 54.64%. So as markets recover, as Bitcoin stabilizes, we are off through the races, and the overall crypto market cap is just continues to grow day by day, guys. And overall market sentiment is very strong. Do not let these small price pullbacks get to you. And if you have invested too much that you can't afford to lose, you guys know I always say take some profits, and lock in some profits, and that, because it's not good to have too much money that you cannot afford to lose, and because at the end of the day we are here to make money. But all my Vechain holders, my Vechain family, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. You guys are in it for the long haul. You guys see what Vechain is doing, has a real world has a real product, and it has a real world, it's solving a real world problem, and it has some big organizations that it's working with. and on top of that, it's bringing mass adoption to crypto space. It cannot make me more bullish, and I believe this is just the absolute start for VeChain, and I believe this year is going to be massive for VeChain. And long term, you guys know already my stance on how big VeChain will be as long as they keep on delivering what they're doing. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see VeChain go at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Each and every one of you guys. You guys show me so much support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do this for you guys, and your guys' support, in return means the world to me. And guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And keep supporting me. Next goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers, and this is just the absolute start for our channel as well. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.